Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a look at the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450d Coupe. Starting with the front, the LED headlights provide exceptional visibility and a distinctive look with their sleek design and bright illumination. These lights not only enhance the vehicle's visibility on the road but also add to its premium aesthetic. And flowing seamlessly from the lights, the AMG-Line bumper adds a touch of aggression and sophistication to the front end. With its distinctive lines and aerodynamic design, this bumper isn't just about looks, it's also designed to improve airflow and reduce drag. The iconic Mercedes-Benz grille, filled with a pattern of stars, culminating in the prominent three-pointed star badge at its center, a symbol of excellence and a hallmark of the brand's luxury heritage. The front end is a masterful blend of form and function, from the LED headlights to the AMG-Line bumper and the iconic star-studded grille. Every element comes together to create a striking and sophisticated presence on the road. The car rides on impressive 22-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance Pirelli tires. These wheels not only enhance the vehicle's athletic stance, but also provide a smooth, responsive driving experience. Taking a look at the rear of the GLE, the sloping roofline and distinctive LED taillights create a sleek and sophisticated profile. The LED taillights provide exceptional visibility while the AMG-Line rear bumper adds a touch of sportiness to the vehicle's design. Stepping inside, you'll be greeted by a luxurious interior that exudes premium craftsmanship and attention to detail. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, providing exceptional comfort and support, making every drive a pleasure. The dashboard features dual 12.3-inch screens, seamlessly integrating navigation, entertainment, and vehicle information into a sleek and intuitive interface. The interior's modern design, advanced technology features, and meticulous attention to detail create a driving environment that's both luxurious and intuitive. And with the panoramic sunroof, the interior is bathed in natural light, creating a sense of openness and freedom. Now let's take a closer look at the infotainment system.
Go direction. Info. Engine. 370. Hello Mercedes. Change the color to blue. Yeah. I really like this feature on this car. Steering wheel was nice and soft as well. I don't even feel like a truck. USB-Cs, heated and cooled cup holders. That's heated, cooled and blue. Yeah, man. Hello, Mercedes. Change the color to green. Yeah, I like this feature, you know, when you talk to Mercedes and that. It's crazy.
It's weird that sometimes you're driving and it's trying to say something and I'm like, I'm not talking.
Yeah. The moment you mention her name, it's like, yo.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, you know that off-road mode,
Google's my friend there.
yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. NRC's massaging, man. Yeah. You don't need a masseuse, innit? You got the car.
No, I'll do some miles as well, so when I've got it on, oh.
Yeah, you just relax. Yeah, no. I like this.
Oh, do you know what?
Heated and cooled seats.
Yeah. Okay. Which one's off-road assist? That must be manual, right?
Yeah. This is park assist. Assess the journey. So start the journey, see what happens. I use it for school from so
Yeah, we're on there. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, cool.
Look up. Where should we go? Do a little tour.
Yeah, pretty much.
Should we go down the A45 and back up?
Yeah, if you don't mind. If you don't mind. It's actually it's quite firm, isn't it?
Yeah. See, I normally leave it on. I've got custom in that one.
Yeah. Sport and comfort on. Alright.
So it handles a lot
you can feel it even over the bumps. It's not like all
It's
crazy
not-
and all over the show.
Yeah.
It's just,
It's nice when you've got comfort because it's nice and bouncy. And
Yeah. yeah, it takes off. Put that thing on engine. Where's that info? Yeah, man. This thing rides nice. Yeah, because I thought about it, I was like, I might as well, you know? Because I was thinking, I was like, maybe do it another day.
Yeah.
But that's when I was like, nah, let me just ask. Maybe he's not busy. How'd you get
So
it?
hit on whatever you want, so whatever massage you want,
Oh, shit, wait.
and then press play on your passenger one.
Yeah. Need some of that. Yeah, you're gonna have a long distance trip in this easy.
Yeah.
Calm, man.
So I do that drive like once every other week.
How far is it?
2.5 hours, 3 hour drive.
Yeah.
So I usually go down on a Friday and come back on a Saturday.
Yeah, it's solid. Even the ride height as well, it's like you're up in the air, but it's not too crazy, you know, it's like decent. Yeah, man. And
That's what I prefer, driving higher up.
yeah, you know what I mean? Like,
So it's just nice.
yeah, no, that's a cool car. Hello, Mercedes. Turn the color to blue. Yeah, nah. This feature is crazy.
You see this as well? I don't know if hopefully we'll do it. So when you put the heat temperature up,
Oh, it changes as well.
it goes red when you want to go hotter, and goes blue when you want to go colder.
Alright. I didn't know that. Oh, that's dope. So red. So then blue goes, stands as blue, but yeah, man. Yeah, just this massage feature alone wins, you know what I
It was
mean?
one of those when we got it. I was like, it has got the massage, yeah?
Yeah.
It was a deal breaker, that one.
Yeah, cause like just this alone, you know what I mean? Like it works, you know? You feel it. And even like on the road and stuff like that, you don't get the tired and whatnot,
exactly.
you know?
Exactly. It's just a nice little extra.
And that's the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450d Coupe, a top contender in the SUV coupe segment. What do you think? Share your thoughts below. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.